Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic back with you again. Today we have another table of tools. Wonderful, thrilling, exciting, unbelievable episode coming your way. And I'm going to sort of do a Columbo here and ma'am, one more thing. I just want to make clear, this is not a review. This is not really an unboxing. This is just showing you what's available out there that you may not know about or you wonder about. And as I use them, or if I have used them, I'll let you know now and let you know what I think, but you'll be seeing them in the future. At least I hope. We'll start out here with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel. It's a Stubby impact for the 12 volt system. I haven't tried it yet. I wanted to show it first here before I tried it, so let's open it up. And there it is. Let's open her up. And there it is, man, the Stubby. Now I have a job for this, and that's when I'm going to actually review it, to just do that, and we'll see how it works. But there it is, the Milwaukee Stubby, and we got a number of 2554-20, and that's just the tool. That is without the battery and stuff. So onward and upward. Next comes the Milwaukee 248821, and this is the red lithium M12 soldering iron kit. So let's open this up. Oops. And this does come with your charger, a battery, and your gun. Turn it on, off. It's swiveling. It's swivel. Oh, there you just didn't even have it out of the box. So you just push that, push up. You can swivel that. And let's throw a battery in it quick. I got one right over here. Oh yeah. Oh, did you catch that? Did you catch that? But put it back. There we go. So it's heating up. And that's what she looks like. Ooh, hot. But then, you know, you can, that's what I like. You can easily set this one down. No stand or anything with the battery that you have. So there it is. Yep. Battery goes down blinking pretty quickly. Oh, I guess because maybe it's heating up. I didn't look at the directions yet. Who knows? Alrighty. We'll do that before we actually use it. So there, we'll turn that off and not burn ourselves. Let's move this out of the way. And for those 12 volt things, in case you haven't seen it yet, here is a Milwaukee 4-time runtime battery, the red lithium XC 6.0 4811-2460. I got this because of my little air pump that I got, the 12 volt Milwaukee, which I'll throw a link in down below to run that a little longer, but it'll work in any of these other tools, which is really neat. It has more power. I don't have one here. The base footprint's a little bit bigger. As you can see, it's not straight down, but I was told it'll fit any other 12 volt Milwaukee tool. So, all right. Let's go to the Snap-On. Now these are the Snap-Ons. I think what they call them, ladies foot, ladies slipper, ladies something or other, but they're a small little pry bar. As you can see, I have one size of them, but I wanted them all, so I bought them, and I bought Snap-Ons, and the number for those Papa Bravo Sierra 704. At least that's what I see on them. So those are Snap-On. And we'll jump over to this. This is the Pro Lift Foldable Mechanic Pad Charlie-1000. You can find those on Amazon. Mr. Keith DeFazio from New Level Auto showed this in one of his videos. This thing's pretty cool because it is a kneeling pad, as you can see. And if you open it up, it becomes a 4-foot lay-on pad. And the thing's relatively cheap. I think it was like 18 bucks or something. So I'm really digging that thing. I'm using the crap out of that. That is pretty good. So now, for last, I saved the Snap-On product. I'm not going to give you the number of it because I know you guys will think I'm insane for buying it, but that's okay. Everybody, you know, has their own opinions. Sometimes I think, well, anyhow. But let me show you this. This is what I bought. It's actually a hose nozzle that is adjustable. Okay, you can adjust it where you want it. You screw the hose in from the back. This is almost like a fireman's nozzle. I mean, that's what it's like. You have an on and off switch, and you have a spray from open to full. Now, this thing is lifetime warranted. I don't have great water pressure here, so it doesn't quite blast the way I thought it would, but I'm going to tell you something. It's better than this piece of that I bought from wherever that lasted about, I don't know, a month or two. Doesn't work, doesn't spray at all. So, you know, I wanted to try and get something that would last and is guaranteed for life. So, there you go. Buy one if you want. If you want to know the price, just look it up because there it is. So, there you go. So, folks, that is today's table full of tools. As far as I think I gave you the numbers on everything. I'm not going to list them. You can go back and look what they were, and you can look them up on Amazon. Has them. Home Depot has the Milwaukee tools, of course. Snap-On, of course, is Snap-On. You can order Snap-On online too. This Pro Lift is on Amazon. That's pretty cool. You know, don't forget this nozzle. I'm pretty sure every one of you are going to want to go out and get one of these babies. So, before I go, I'm not doing it today, but I just want to give a little glimpse of something I got here in my shirt pocket. I'm just going to show it like that. Some of you will know what that is. Some of you may not. That'll be in a future video. But anyhow, this is Mike, the Disgruntled Mechanic, saying, small is the mind of the person that can only use a tool for its intended purpose. Think about that. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!
Just remember, if you can only use a tool for its intended purpose, you're probably not doing it right.